In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-DM anyone who comments on your Instagram or Facebook post with GoHighLevel. We're going to set up a simple workflow that sends an automatic direct message to anyone who comments on your post. This is great for speeding up replies, capturing leads, and creating a smoother experience for your audience. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Once you're in, head to Automation in the left-hand menu. Before building anything, make sure your Facebook page and, if applicable, your Instagram business account are connected under Marketing, then Social Planner. If they aren't connected yet, do that now so GoHighLevel can listen for comments and send messages on your behalf. Next, go to Automation and open Workflows. Click Create Workflow, then choose Start from Scratch. Give your workflow a clear name so you and your team can recognize it later. For example, Comment Automation Workflow. Now let's define what triggers this automation. Click Add New Trigger and select Facebook, Comment, on a post. From there, choose the Facebook page you want this to apply to. This tells GoHighLevel to watch for new comments on that page's posts. Click Save Trigger to lock it in. If you also want this to work for Instagram, add another trigger and choose the Instagram option for comment-based triggers. This requires an Instagram business account that's connected, so if you have that set up, repeat the process and save the second trigger as well. With the triggers ready, click the plus icon to add your first action. Choose Send Live Chat Message. This action sends a direct message through the connected channel right into the commenter's inbox. Messenger for Facebook or Instagram, Direct for Instagram, and it will also appear in your GoHighLevel Conversations inbox for tracking. Type the message you want to send. Keep it warm and conversational. Acknowledge their comment and offer a clear next step. For example, you might say thanks, share a link, or ask a quick qualifying question. Short, clear, and friendly messages usually get the best response. If you already capture first names, consider personalizing the greeting to boost engagement. Click Save Action, then hit Publish so the workflow goes live. Finally, click Save to make sure every change sticks. A quick pro tip: once published, test by commenting on your post from a different account to confirm the DM lands as expected and everything routes to your conversations inbox. That's it. Your auto DM workflow for Facebook and Instagram comments is up and running. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.